In this video, we're going to be tackling another frequently asked drone question. And the question we're addressing today is, how far can you fly your drone? Now, there are many different types of drones and drone solutions and controllers that work with them and that kind of thing. They all offer a variety of operating ranges. However, unless you have a waiver from your local CAA, so for in the Caribbean, that is the Civil Aviation Authority, for what we call beyond visual line of sight, you must always have the drone within a visible distance while flying. So that means you can only use glasses or your regular eyesight while flying your drone. If you use things like binoculars or telescopes, you will not qualify for what is meant by flying under visual line of sight, and you will need to get a waiver to conduct those kinds of flights. If you have a question that you'd like to get answered, please feel free to drop it in the description. Reach out to us on social media, drop us an email. I love hearing from you guys. Until the next one, take care.